In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use device view on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. Understanding how your website looks and works on different devices is essential, and Squarespace makes it easy to preview and adjust your site for optimal viewing across multiple devices. Let's walk through these steps so you can ensure your site looks fantastic no matter where it's being viewed. The first step is to log into your Squarespace account. Once you've entered your credentials, you'll land on your dashboard. Here you'll see a list of your websites if you have more than one. Click on the one you wish to work with today. After selecting your website, look for the Website button within your Squarespace dashboard. Clicking on this will take you to the main editing view where you can start customizing your pages. Next, locate the page you intend to modify and click the Edit button. This will open the page in the editing mode, providing you with an array of tools and options to work with. Now pay attention to the editor toolbar at the top right corner. This is where you'll find various icons and features. Find the mobile view icon in this toolbar. It often resembles a small phone or a device. Clicking on this icon will toggle the view from the standard desktop to the mobile version. It's an excellent feature because it lets you see exactly how your site will look on a smartphone or tablet, helping you catch any layout issues before they affect your users. Once you click the mobile view icon, you'll notice a set of device icons appear above the preview area. These icons represent different devices like tablets and smartphones of varying sizes. Clicking on these icons lets you switch between device previews, offering an immediate view of how your site adjusts on each screen. It's particularly useful for refining your site's responsiveness. When you're viewing your site in mobile mode, you may observe areas that need tweaks or adjustments. Luckily, Squarespace allows you to manipulate blocks directly in this mobile view. This means you can move elements around, resize them, or even hide them if they don't translate well to smaller screens. Adjustments made in this view will only affect how your site appears on mobile, leaving the desktop version unchanged. Once you've made the necessary changes, don't forget to click Save to apply your mobile layout adjustments. Ensuring that these modifications are saved guarantees they're live and visible to your audience on their mobile devices. And there you have it. You've learned how to use the device view feature in Squarespace 7.1's Fluid Engine, enabling you to tailor your site's appearance across multiple devices seamlessly. This way, you ensure a consistent, high quality experience for all your visitors, whether they're on a desktop, tablet, or smartphone.